Hello and welcome to this episode. Bit of a slow winter right now. Things are moving really fast. Just doing little projects here and there. This one came about when I was perusing AliExpress. It's for it's titled the Nissan Sentra. Gas struts. It comes pretty simple, doesn't come in anything kind of flash, just box. Kind of vague instructions that go for a few different models, but pretty simple for the most part. Installing gas struts to lift the hood / bonnet, depending on where you come from. Interesting, I thought I'd try it. Kind of skeptical that it'll fit under there and work, but these are, whatever you want to call them, connection for the struts. These ones go into the hood and the other ones go in around your fender, the smaller guys. So we'll see how this goes. Like I said, it's for a few different models, you can see that. Ours kind of fall under a Cypher, I think. Chinese version, Asian version. But they will fit, apparently, all B16 models of the Sentra. So let's give it a go. We'll chuck the link on where to find them on AliExpress in the description. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so it's kind of a little vague, but what I can pick up is that this one's going to go here. I mean, it's slotted so you can adjust it. Take this existing nut off, put it on. It does come with a washer. I think we're using it for that one. I think that sits up somewhere like that, so you got the clearance. Find out. And then this one, I think, goes in there. Pull this one out. Put this one in. So it's kind of just going off the very basic instructions. I believe that this one would have to go far down here, and then it's kind of vague, the picture there, but it looks like it sits just out there. But that's what we'll try and see if it works. So that upper one is a 13 and this lower one down the fender is a 10mm. Okay, that's those two installed. Pretty easy. 12mm. When you put that one back in, I just put the washer there because it doesn't work on the top one. And yeah, that just sits kind of out there. So we'll see how this clips in. As far as I can tell by the instructions, the strut goes in like that way. So see if we can get it in there. Okay, so I think it's this one that's too close. The instructions are a little wrong, so I'm going to try and put it towards the front here. Move this one down to here, and that might give it enough room to close. Okay, so we got moved it down to the headlight, and that seems to work better. Got the other one on the other side. So let's see if it, cool. Holds itself up. Cool. Let's open up again. Yeah, works nicely. I'd say that probably took less than 30 minutes, even with screwing around with that a little bit. But yeah, very easy to mount. top, and then yeah, you just got to move, make sure you put that one out in the headlight there. But no, nice simple job. Hopefully that helps you. Like I say, I'll put a link in the subscription, and I think that's it for this one. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you want to see more of it, and we'll catch you later.